Also have a cool thing of gasoline, so we can siphon some of that off if we need to.
Alright, here we are in the parking lot.
What?
Videotaping
What?
the fireworks going off. We just got back from the fireworks show, and we're going to set some fireworks off here, because it's Wisconsin and you can do that. So, I'm going to turn this off while we set up, but yes, fireworks! Boom, fireworks. Oh, that's exciting.
So cynical.
I'm the commentator. Hi, Isaac's putting it down, and he's lighting a match. Here we go. Let's see if it works. Gonna zoom in. Oh, I can't zoom in. Whoa! Woo!
Oh, it's a lot more. It's supposed to be assorted snake. There's only one of these.
Chip!
I'm assuming you light it. There's the fuse. Show me the fuse. Light one of the ends.
Yeah, light one of the ends. Untwist it?
Expert. Yeah. Both of you. Fucking
It's candy, yeah. You're supposed to eat it.
The little thing on the ground that says do not put.
If you eat it, then you start going and like popping in different directions. It'll go.
Oh, yeah.
That's a sparkler? Woo.
Not going. There it is. Oh, no. It's going. The thing's on fire. It's lit. It's lit. Not lit, but... Oh, there it goes.
Oh, there it goes.
That is so disappointing.
It's just gonna burn.
It just grows. What are you expecting? It's an assorted snake. It's coming out, see? Snake. Shit. Now it just looks like poop. Yeah, it does. It just looks like a lot of poop. It just looks like burned poop. It looks like turd. It looks like a huge turd. This is what that looks like.
Yeah.
Well, as cool as that is, I'm going to hold off on those for now, I think.
The snake.
It just looks like a big bird.
Here we go, trying to light off another one.
It's better than this.
Apparently it doesn't get better than this. Here we go. Oh.
Yeah, Sam.
Oh. There's Andrew playing the smoke.
Jump over it. Maybe. Maybe.
Yay for me. Don't burn my lens on fire.
It's still going. Quick, light it on fire.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh, it worked.
Quick, Isaac, you're next. They set off the dragon part? That's a big one. Do you want it? Yeah.
What's this called? The dragon?
Dragon farts.
Oh.
Really dramatic.
Oh man. Those are what dragon farts look like.
Really cool if you go into the water.
That went for a long time. I do something pretty for the camera. Oh, tricks.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that one. Look, Andrew's not doing something nice enough. Let's see. Can you rave?
Something that, like, if you're Asian and in 7th grade, you learn how to do.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Yeah, that's what I figured.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Which one is that? Gotta get rid of it.
Look at all the smoke.
Fuck!
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna let Andrew on the fuck. The cock keeps getting my profile pictures. It's gonna send me the fuck off. The video you can't.
Meet Andrew. What does Andrew have to say about this?
I don't know anybody with that name, but I don't know anybody named Brent and any parties affiliated with these aforementioned.
What does Isaac have to say on the matter?
I don't have anything to say.
Alright, right now, I don't know what I'm going to frame. I'm going to guess I am. Anyway, I am going to get the finale in the car. I'm going to get it. Oh. I haven't shot anything off, but I'm shooting the finale off, alright? Watch out. What's this one called? This is Uncle Sam's Best. This is the third runner-up?
Yeah.
Alright, this is the third runner-up, Uncle Sam's Best. Here we go.
Yeah, that's right. Oh. Quick light.
Alright.
Yeah.
Now what's this one?
This is Snap Crackle Pop.
Snap, crackle, pop.
What?
Ah! Wasn't fast enough. I might want to be backfiring for this. Snap, crackle, pop.
Oh,
Woo! Woo!
really good. Now you know what's going on.
The big one.
Cloud 9.
This is Cloud 9.
Take a look at that. Are you on camera mode?
Yeah, I'm on taping.
This is Cloud 9. This is shit right here. I don't recommend you like this around the kids.
Okay. We're not kids.
Alright. Wait. We can that up.
What are we doing? Oh, we have some more Uncle Sam's Best.
We're gonna prop this one up on some old Uncle Sam's Best.
That's what it looks like? Oh no, we haven't taken it out of the package yet.
Let's try it.
Oh, it's in that pack. You light it in that package?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
We're gonna bag up for this one.
Okay.
Whoa. Alright, ready? Ready?
I'm gonna blow our finger off. Watch. I'm not gonna be able to do it.
Can't do it.
Can't do it.
I really can't do it. Yay, happy 4th of July!